All right, guys, so today we're talking about how to build unlimited AI agents that actually sell themselves. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but this video is actually inspired by a question from a member of our free school community, Greg here, and after replying to him, I felt this would be a great video topic. So we're going to cover his questions, I'll break everything down, and you can decide for yourself if making money with self-selling AI agents is something you'd like to do. And guys, I'm making these videos to try and get the difficulty bar as low as possible. Obviously, I can't cram everything into one video, so I put it all in my free school community. We got over 1,000 members in there right now. Everything you need to get your first paying AI clients in 30 days or less. Plus, there is a link below to the gold standard in AI agency support, and that is HL-ProTools. Matt is an awesome dude over there. They will help you scale from one to unlimited clients and support your agency the entire way so you can stay focused on growth and not get bogged down with the tech and client support. So if you get value out of this video, just like and subscribe. Let's jump into it. So Gregory asks here, hello Jared, it's great to be here. My first question is, every time I get a customer to sign up for AI voice, chat, or reputation service, do I need to set up a sub-account for each new customer? And in my agency overview section, is this where I run my business from? For example, set up my sites, funnels, automations, AI services, or do you have to open a sub-account from which to run my own business from? And lastly, he asks, for making AI demos, can I make them in my business sub-account? And if I can, how many demos can I make? All right, so the platform he's talking about here is GoHighLevel, and his first question is about what we call in the school community the AI Trinity, which is AI voice, conversational AI chat, and the AI-powered reputation management. His next two questions are essentially two sides of the same coin. Do I need to set up a sub-account for each new customer? And where do I run everything for my actual business? So in order to build out unlimited self-selling AI agents, we have to first make sure the account's set up correctly. The agency account versus sub-account thing is something a lot of people kind of get tripped up on, but it's pretty simple, so let's check it out. Jump down the corner here, and here is our account at the agency level. So there's no limit to how many AI agents you can set up in HighLevel, but the right type of agent does have to be set up in the right type of sub-account. So when you first log in, this is the agency account level. This is the tip of the pyramid or the umbrella management section of the software that handles all the sub-accounts below, which is all of your clients, including your agency sub-account. And you'll see more what that means in just a second. So let's assume you just signed up for the 30-day free trial, links in the description for that, and you want to get started. The first sub-account that you're going to make inside of your agency account is going to be the sub-account that you run your own marketing agency out of. Now, a lot of affiliates try to push their own versions of their snapshots and different things, but believe it or not, HighLevel already has snapshots for almost every single industry already in here, including the setup guides and one-on-one live support to help you get them set up. You can set up over Zoom, over chat, or even open a support ticket. So if you're running your marketing agency, you can type in marketing. We have a couple of different types of sub-accounts for marketing agency. We'll click here for setup guide, and this shows you everything you get inside your snapshot that you get for free during your free trial. For this marketing agency snapshot, you get website templates, sales funnel templates, claim offers, email campaign templates, custom automation, sales pipelines, digital ad templates, voice AI prompts. Everything's literally all in here. So then when you want to create that first sub-account for your own business, you click create new sub-account, or alternatively, I already have my agency sub-account made, so I'm not going to create another one. But if you already have sub-accounts in here and you haven't set your agency account yet, you can click on the ellipsis here under sub-accounts inside your agency account, and you can set your agency, mine's here, 3-phase marketing, as the agency sub-account. So this is your business. Essentially, you're the first client, you're the first sub-account of the agency account. Now, once you log into your agency sub-account, right here under AI agents, this is where you can literally set up unlimited AI agents. It could be either voice AI, it could be conversational AI, or it could be reputation management AI. You can set up unlimited demo agents. But these are not going to be the same agents that your clients have. These AI agents are going to be demo agents to sell the capability of your AI services. For example, you go to a business meetup or you have a prospect on the line and you want to demo the agent for them, and I have videos on my channel that cover this live. They can call in, give that agent their business information, and the agent can act like it is handling a live call for one of their own customers, right? So it's a self-selling AI agent demo. I'll link that video at the end of this video so you can see that live. But now your client accounts, right? So this is any additional sub-account you would have in your system that's not your agency sub-account. You see here it says agency sub-account. These could be your clients. The AI set up in these sub-accounts, this is going to be the AI that's set up to directly assist your clients with their customers. So missed call receptionist or social media manager or reputation management. If somebody leaves a review and it replies to that business review in context, right? All these agents are built out already in templates here that you can grab right inside the software. I have additional templates for agents inside the school community. They're all free. This is so that you can understand the architecture of the software and where the different types of voice AI agents go. And once you're in, you can create unlimited agents for yourself or your clients by just clicking create agent, and you can start from here. You can have multiple phone numbers for a voice agent and assign each agent to different phone numbers. For example, here you see this is a 1866, this is a 301. These are two different agents, two different numbers. You can have a conversation AI agents that connect to multiple social media channels. Let's check this out. You'll see here. You can choose Instagram, Facebook, text message, web chat, live chat, WhatsApp, email. These are text-based message bots that can answer questions, that can book appointments. You can trigger automatic notifications for the business owner. You can update contact info, all kind of stuff you can do. You just set these agents for autopilot. Again, I got lots of videos on how to set these up in my channel, plus in my free school community. And lastly, if you're selling reputation management for Google reviews or Facebook reviews, again, you can create as many AI agents as you want to handle different types of scenarios, whether it's a good review, a bad review, depending on what they said in context, how you want the AI to reply. Again, there's pre-built ones in the software, but once you select one, you can customize how it behaves right here with the prompt, or you can just click to change the tone of the agent, the review type that the agent's going to reply to based on how many stars. So if someone left a 1-star or a 2-star, that agent's going to reply differently than someone that left a 5-star more than likely. You can even generate response previews here to test and see what the agent would look like in a live demo for a client. Thanks, Charlotte. We're glad you enjoyed the generous portions. We value your feedback and are committed to continuous improvement to make your next visit perfect. So these are the 3 main types of AI agents that you can literally plug and play, install in a business. All you have to do to set these up, click on integrations here, and you just connect to whatever platform you want the AI agents to operate on. They can log in here to their Facebook account, their Google business profile. You can even bring in reviews from all different other types of platforms. Manus AI is in here, House Call Pro, tons of different options to integrate the AI with multiple systems in pretty much any business. It doesn't take much to set them up. There's guys charging anywhere from $500 to $1,500 a month or more, depending on the ticket price. A roofing client, for example, can make $10,000 on a job. If you get them 1 extra book job a month, right, that's a lot of money. If you guys want to learn more on how to set these up step by step, jump in the free school community, shoot me a message when you get in there. I'd love to chat. If you want to learn how to actually get clients without any cold calls or spending money on paid ads, watch this video right here. And if you want to watch the self-selling AI agent live, watch this video right here. I'll see you on the inside.